Hi friends, welcome to Modern Maths Nagaraju YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, click bell button and share with your friends, and also please watch the advertisements through that I can get some encouragement. Now in this class we are going to learn intermediate first year maths 1B 10th chapter applications of derivatives. Okay, in 9th chapter derivations we have done. So using derivations, how can we apply, where we can apply, we are learning. Of course, in previous part 1 we completed this chapter, errors and approximations. Means actually it's a big chapter. In this, sub chapters are errors and approximations, and tangents and normals, and rate measure, and mean value theorem, and maxima and minima, increasing and decreasing. So these are the subtopics. This we have done in applications of differentiations part 1. It is completed. For that we can search in YouTube like applications of derivations part 1 by Nagaraju sir. You can get this errors and approximations video. It consists of only 2 marks. In one part it is completed. Okay, that is also an easy chapter. Next, in part 2, so applications of derivatives part 2 by Nagaraju sir. Next, this class in tangents and normals you can learn. And this is a little bit 4 parts it consists. So part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5. In 4 parts we can complete this tangents and normals. Now this topic we are going to learn. Is it clear? So next part 6, part 7 we can complete rate measure. Next part this is simple mean value small. In part 8 applications of derivatives, part 8 we can complete mean value theorem. And this maximum minimum 2 parts, part 9 and part 10. And finally there is small topic. Small means very small topic. So with the part 11 we can complete. So applications of derivatives consist almost 11 parts. We can 11 parts we can complete. Okay. So it is completed. Part 1 applications of derivatives part 1 we taught errors and approximations problems. Okay. So it's very easy. The first 3 problems are very most important from this topic. So please, if you learn easily you can get. Okay. Next, coming to the topic, tangents and normals. Tangents and normals. Do you know tangent means what? Very simple. It is a just touching line of a curve. So suppose this is a curve. The tangent of this curve is called, touching line of this curve is called simply tangent line. Okay. So if two curves touch each other, then how can we find the angle between two curves? Means we should draw the two tangents of two curves. So one is tangent of this curve and the second tangent of this curve is this touching line. This is the tangent. So the angle between these two tangents is called angle. So okay, how can we find the angle? First, given for two curves, we should draw two tangents, and the angle between two tangents is called the angle between the two curves. Very simple. So how can we find it? Means very simple formula. One differential equation will be given, or two differential equations will be given. Take any one equation, find the derivation of that equation, and substitute the point x1 y1 in that derivation, or you will get slope. Okay. In the problem solving we can understand. Next, some formulas. Equation of tangent y minus y1 equal m into x minus x1, and equation of normal y minus y1 equal minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Okay, and moreover, if you know m1 m2 are slopes of two curves and theta is angle between them, then tan theta is equal modulus m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. So this is the formula to find angles. That is very important formula. It's used for 7 marks questions, and these are also sometimes 7 marks, but mostly in 4 marks we can use these formulas. Next, if the curves touch each other, only touch each other, then slopes are equal, m1 equal to m2. If curves are orthogonal, then m1 m2 equal to minus 1. Means what? If the angle between them is 90 degrees, then condition is m1 m2 equal minus 1. If the angle is 0 or 180 degrees, we can say m1 equal to m2. So these are the some important key points. Friends, please note down these points. Okay. Take a heading, applications of derivatives. Second topic, tangents and normals, and write down these points. So okay, we can enter into the 7 marks question. Okay, which I am going to say first question and second question. Oddly, 7 questions we have 7 marks questions are from this topic. Among those 7 questions, first 2 are very most important. Then remaining 5 also important. So almost all these first 2 we can learn in this part. Remaining 5 can be learned in the next part 3. Then after part 4 and part 5 we can complete 4 marks questions. Is it clear? Shall we go to problems? Very simple problems, but very most important problems. So friends, before going to that, please subscribe our channel and click bell button. And also after completion of video, if you are interested, please click like button and also share with your friends to reach your friends also. They also get helpful to that. All classes are available. First locus part 1 by Nagaraju, locus part 2 by Nagaraju. You can get locus. Please search as transformation of axis part 1 by Nagaraju, transformation of axis part 2 by Nagaraju, straight lines part 1 by Nagaraju, straight lines part 2 by Nagaraju. If you move in this way, you can get all the classes in orderly, and you can make the notes. Those classes are very useful. These are very all important problems. I will stress wherever I have to say. So those problems I mentioned. So I think these problems are enough. My classes are enough to preparation of your examination. Very simple way and in very less time you can get 75 out of 75. No doubt in that. Okay. For the past 8 years, my students are following, they are getting full marks easily. After completion of my videos, my classes, you just take the previous question papers and write the answers of those previous questions. If you are perfect in these videos, you can easily get. Then after, please focus on 2 marks questions, because of there is no choice in 2 marks. That's why give more priority for 2 marks to get 75 out of 75. This is the best and simple and easy technique. Got it? Let me enter into the problems. Yes. Yes, first question. So very important question. This is first 1 and 2 are very most important questions. 99% we can expect from 1 and 2, and the remaining also important. Okay. See, if the tangent at any point on the curve x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equal a power 2 by 3. Intersect the coordinate axis at A and B. Then show that the length of AB is constant. Do you understand question? I just revise this. The tangent at any point on the curve. Suppose this is a curve. The curve of this tangent at any point. For example, here some point P. The tangent is this one. This tangent here, because of we can draw here tangent. Okay, so one of the tangent, this tangent intersects the coordinate axis at A and B. Means suppose this is a coordinate axis, this is x axis, this is y axis. So it intersects at a point A and another point B. What is the curve? X power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal a power 2 by 3. This curve equation is this one. And it has a tangent at some point. That tangent is intersect x axis at A, y axis at B. Then we have to show that this length AB. Then what is the length AB formula? Root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Of course, you can use root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square also correct. No problem, don't confuse. You can write any formula. Okay. Next. So how can we find point A and point B? Okay, if you know A and B, simply you can find the distance between these 2 points. We can write answer is constant. Then how? How can you find A and B? Okay, do you know forms of straight lines? General form, slope intercept form, intercept form, 2 points form, point slope form. So in that intercept form, what is intercept form? Simply x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This a is exact x coordinate, b is y coordinate. So we first find the tangent equation. First keep in mind. First we have to find the equation of tangent. After getting equation of tangent, convert it to intercept form. After that, you can say what is capital A, point something comma 0, point capital B, 0 comma something we can find. Then find the distance between A and B, you can get the answer. Got it? Yes. So what is the curve equation? So given that equation of curve is x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equal to a power 2 by 3. This is the curve equation. Am I right? So using this curve equation at some point P, do you know what is the point? Not only x1 by 1. So we have to assume a point P. So let capital P is, we have to assume how? That must satisfy this equation. That point must be satisfies this curve equation. Okay, this curve equation is x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equal to a power 2 by 3. Okay, x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equal to a. So we should take a point that must be satisfied this equation. What is that point? Generally we can take x1 by 1, no problem. But here the best point is that must to satisfy this equation. We can take x is a cos cube theta, y is a sin cube theta. Why are taking this point? You just check in this, substitute in this equation, it must satisfy this given condition. Okay? If you have why this much information explanation, blindly I can remember the point. Let P is a cos cube theta, a sin cube theta. Means remember, no problem. Okay. In this, what is x? So x is equal to a cos cube theta, comma y equal to a sin cube theta. Okay. We should find the tangent equation. What is tangent equation? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So here we know what is x1, what is y1. We know x1 is this one, y1 is this one. Point we know. Do you know slope? M. We don't know. Then how? In the differentiation, slope nothing but the derivation of y. So dy by dx at a point. So we must find the dy by dx. How can we find the dy by dx? So if we differentiate with respect to x, we quantitate. Okay, like in 2 marks, in 4 marks differentiations, we have done some. Suppose x is equal to 80 square, y equal to 80, then find the dy by dx. Okay, in that situations, we find the first derivation of with respect to t, derivation of with respect to tt. But here theta is there. So yes, tell me. Yeah, very good. We should differentiate with respect to theta, and here also differentiate with respect to theta. Then do here d by dt of x is equal d by d theta of a cos cube theta. First I am completing this. Okay, this is nothing but dx by d theta. Dx by d theta is equal derivation of a is a constant, so a write down first. Cos cube derivation. Apply x power n form. What is derivation of x power n? Derivation of x power n. Yes, n into x power n. So using that formula we can write 3 into cos power 3 minus 1 means cos square theta. And into again, instead of only theta, instead of x, there is a cos theta. So cos theta derivation is minus sin theta. What it? So dx by d theta is equal plus into minus minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. So let us take equation 1. Similarly, do this one derivation with respect to theta, that is d by d theta of y is equal d by d theta of a into sin cube theta. Okay, so dy by d theta is equal, a is a constant, sin cube derivation first to x power n formula apply, n into x power n minus 1 means 3 into sin power 3 minus 1 means 2 theta, sorry sin square theta, again sin theta derivation cos theta. So dy by d theta is equal 3a into sin square theta into cos theta. So this is taken as equation 2. So we got it equation 1 and equation 2. Then how can we find dy by dx? Why we have to find dy by dx? We need a slope. Slope nothing but dy by dx. For that we are doing this process. So do equation 2 by equation 1, we can get dy by dx. Am I right? Yes, I am right. Very good. So the next step, equation 2 by equation 1. So that implies dy by d theta by dx by d theta is equal, what is the equation 2? First 3a sin square theta into cos theta by, what is dx by d theta? Minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. See, 3a gets cancelled. See, cos square, cos cancel, and the sin in the sin square only one sin cancel. What is the remaining? Minus is remaining. Here one sin, here one cos is remaining. So minus sin theta by cos theta is remaining. Okay, that's it. D theta cancel, dy by dx. Okay, this is already in terms of theta. So dy by dx at x1 by 1 is also minus sin theta by cos theta. If it is in terms of suppose x, we must substitute x plus a cos theta by plus a sin. But luckily we got in terms of theta. So some of the simplification is done automatically. So then slope m nothing but m equal to minus sin theta by cos theta. Got it? We got it slope. We got it. We know point x1 comma y1. Then what next? Very simple. So then equation of tangent is y minus y1 equal m into x minus x1. Actually that is the formula. So use that formula. Y means y, minus means minus, y1 means what? This is a sin cube theta. So a sin cube theta. Yes, that's it. And is equal means is equal. M means yes minus sin theta by cos theta. And solve bracket. X means x, minus means minus. X1 means what? X1 means a cos cube theta. Okay, a cos cube. See how this point, assumed point a cos cube theta, a sin cube theta is using. It is used to find slope and also using to find the equation of tangent. So that's why we must 100% remember this point. Even you can by heart for this problem also no problem. Okay, simplify. It is in denominator. So cos into y, cos theta y minus cos theta into this. Okay. Otherwise, okay, cos theta into this a sin cube theta becomes a sin cube theta cos theta is equal minus sin theta into x minus sin theta into x minus sin theta into minus a becomes plus a cos cube theta sin theta. Okay, bring this minus sin theta x left side, so becomes plus sin theta into x and cos theta into y, right as it is cos theta into y and remaining side right side. Already after is equal to what is there? A cos cube theta into sin theta is there. Write down as it is. And this left side term of is equal to center right side. It becomes plus A sin cube theta into cos theta. Okay. In both what is common? Very good. A is common. And yes, sin cos cos. So A sin theta cos theta common. So take A sin theta cos theta common. Then remaining in this A sin theta common and cos theta common, remaining cos square is remaining. So cos square plus in this A common. So write cos theta common. In this sin cube, one sin common means sin square is remaining. What is this sin square plus cos square? 1. Very good. So which is equal to A sin theta into cos theta is remaining. So which is equal to this as easily written, no changes in sin theta x plus cos theta and sin theta x into x plus cos theta into y. So we should get intersect form. Am I right? If we know intersect form, we can get what is A, what is B easily. So how can we get intersect form? Yes, what is after is equal to A sin theta cos theta. So divide with this term, each and every term. So divide by A sin theta into cos theta on both sides. Then sin theta into x by A sin theta cos theta. Okay. Plus cos theta into y by A sin theta cos theta is equal to A sin theta into cos theta by A sin theta into cos. See, gets cancelled. It's equal to 1 is remaining. Here cos cancel, here sin cancel. The remaining is x by A cos theta plus y by A sin theta is equal to 1. So we got it intersect form of the tangent equation. Then x coordinate is A cos theta comma 0. The point will be A cos theta comma 0. The second B is y axis. So 0 comma A sin theta. Got it? Is it clear? Friends? Are you clear? Yes. Okay. First to take the equation. First to assume the point is A cos cube theta comma A sin cube theta. So this is x1, this is y1. So x is equal to A cos cube theta, y equal to A sin cube theta. Differentiate with respect to theta separately. And to get dy by dx, do equation 2 by equation 1. You will get slope. After getting slope, write a tangent equation, that is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, and substitute what is y1 and what is x1 and what is m. X and y are same alternately. Simplify and transform into intersect form. You will get x by a cos theta plus y by a sin theta equal to 1. Can I remove the question? Something is there next. Of course, almost we have reached it. Now we can say what is A. So therefore, A is equal to A cos theta comma 0 and B equal, tell me, 0 comma A sin theta. Is it clear? Why I am writing A cos theta comma 0? Can I write here 0 comma A cos theta? No. This is x coordinate. So on x axis the points will be 1 comma 0, 2 comma 0, 3 comma 0 like that. Because of on x axis there are no y elements. On x axis there is no y element, it's 0. On y axis only y element should be present, x element should not be present. So means 0. So finally we got it A, B, 2 points. Then we should find the distance between A and B. How can you find the distance between A and B? Formula? Yes, very good. Root of x1 minus. Therefore, length of AB equals root of, I'm writing the formula, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Even you can write x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 square. From that also you will get same answer. There is no confusion. But in the 10th class level you may learn always root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y2. Okay. So there your mistake is you don't know two formulas meaning is same because of it has a square. So even 2 square same, minus 2 square also same. 3 square is same, minus 3 square value also same. So that's why you can represent in any way. Okay. Is equal root of, here x1 x2 means what, y1 y2 means what. X1 x2 means this point x1 y1 x2 y2. So tell me x1 minus x2 means a cos theta minus 0 whole square plus y1. y1 means 0 minus y2 means a sin theta whole square. So which is equal something minus 0 something only. So a cos theta whole square plus here minus a sin theta whole square. So which is equal to a square cos square. A square cos square plus, so don't think plus into minus because of this minus having a square. So this minus has a square. So minus square becomes minus into minus plus. So plus into plus plus. And a square means a square. For sin square means sin square. What is common in these two? Very good. A square is common. So root, take out a square common, remaining cos square theta plus sin square theta. What is the cos square plus sin square? Yes, 1. Very good. So which is equal a square into 1. So which is equal root a square, a cancel. So a be equal to a. A means what? A is some constant. Am I right? In the given equation, x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equal to a power 2 by 3. That a is nothing but constant. Yes. So we got it. A, that is constant. So therefore length of AB is constant. So therefore hence true. So if you write this answer like in this way, you can get completely 7 marks. Are you okay? So this is very most important. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I will give you reply. Even your feelings also, you understand or not understand. If you must give comment, please, definitely. Through that I can make another videos also according to your comments. Okay, if it is slow, you can increase your speed in the YouTube settings. There is a 3 dots. Just click the 3 dots in your class. Of course, this is a class. Just touch the video. 3 dots will be appear. Touch the 3 dots. You will get options: speed, increase or decrease; quality, increase or decrease. Okay, you try it. You will get. Shall we go to next problem? Please note down. Okay, friends. Second important problem. Second important problem is second one. If any tangent at any point capital P on the curve x power m y power n is equal to a power m plus n meets the coordinate axis in capital A and capital B, then show that AP is to PB is constant. Almost all same type of question. In the first question they asked the distance is constant. So distance formula used. Here asking ratio. So this is also the simple formula is there. I will tell you. Okay. So what is question here? Tangent at any point. So tangent means we must find slope first of all, and we need a point, and using point and slope we can find tangent equation. After getting tangent equation, transform into intercept form. So then you can get point A and point B. After that, find the ratio between those points. Okay, ratio between 2 points means not only mx2 plus nx1 by n plus n and my2 plus n by n plus n. So another formula also is there. I will tell you in this problem solving. So small problem easily we can find. So that is useful. The technique for MCET, JEE, remaining exams also. First see the question. Same, a curve at any point. For example, here I am taking a point P is some x1 comma y1. Why, sir? The previous question, a cos theta is a sin theta I have taken. That is easily satisfies the given equation. But here I am not getting any point. Thus, that must satisfy the given condition. So to satisfy this x power m y power n equal to 1 plus, I am not getting any point. That's why I am taking directly x1 comma y. No problem. If you get any point, you can take, you can assume. Okay, x axis, y axis. So if you don't have to get any stress, you just follow blindly what I am saying. This is point A, this is point B, this is what? Capital P is x1 comma y. So solution, this is also important, very very important. So given that the equation of curve is x power m into y power n equal to a power m plus n. So let the point capital P is x1 comma y1. Okay. So then how can we find? So take the given equation. Okay. Take the given equation. So given that equation x power m into y power n equal to a power n plus 1. Okay. We have to differentiate to get dy by dx. So to simply get, I am taking log on both sides. To simply get. Okay. So taking log on both sides. You can directly differentiate also, no problem. But this is the simple way. So log x power m into y power n equal log a power m plus n. Okay. So here log a into b. So log a into b can be written as simply. Do you know logarithm formulas? Yes, very good. Log a plus log g. Yes. According to that formula, you can split this as log x power n plus log y power n and is equal to. So keep it as is. In the next step, I will change. And now use formula x power m. Log x power m means m goes to left side. So m into log x plus n into log y is equal to m plus n into log a. So now differentiate with respect to x on both sides, because of always our concept is first to find the dy by dx, next to tangent equation, next to intersect form, then solution. So first to slope we need. Slope means dy by dx. To get dy by dx, I differentiate with respect to x. This is only single equation. So that's why it is differentiated by with respect to x. So what will be? So dy by dx of m into log x plus n into log y is equal to dy by dx of m plus n into log a. Okay, split it. This m is a constant. So m into dy by dx of log x plus this is n into dy by dx of log y is equal to, see here, this is completely constant term. There is no x term, there is no y term. So constant derivation is 0. Yes. Simplify this m into log x derivation 1 by x plus m into log y derivation 1 by y. But here with respect to x. So again derivation of this y is dy by dx and is equal to 0 as this. Now this is n into 1, n by y. So n by y into dy by dx is equal to, this term I am going to send right side. So this is m1 to 1, m by x. So this left side m by x, send right side, it becomes minus m by x. Now this n by y also send right side. Then dy by dx is equal minus, see this y goes to numerator. So y into m means my. N goes to denominator, n into x, nx. Why? Because of it is in multiplication, the send right side becomes numerator becomes the denominator. We want to slope, not dy by dx, at the x1 comma value. Therefore, slope m equal to dy by dx at x1 comma y1 is equal minus m, y means y1, n x1. So finally, what is slope? Therefore, m is minus m by 1 by nx1. Okay, this m means slope, this m means slope, this m means some constant, n means some constant. So don't cancel m. Okay now, m, this is the denotation for slope. Okay, so now tangent equation. Equation of tangent is y minus y1 equal m into x minus x1. So this is the tangent equation. What is y means y, minus means minus, y1 means y1 only, m means minus m y1 by n y1 in x1 into x minus x1 means x1. Because the here point is taken as x1 y1 only, but m only we found. In the previous question, point x1 y1 nothing but some other point taken, that's what other point substituted. Here x1 y1 means x1 y1. Simplify this and transform into intercept form and proceed. If you are understood, please pause the video, we do it. Then after verify it. Okay, nx1 multiply nx1 into y, nx1 y minus nx1 into y, nx1 y, and is equal minus m y1 into x minus m y1 into x minus m y1 into minus x1 becomes plus m y1 x1. Next, to bring this x term to left side, it is in negative term, so bring left side becomes positive m y1 x, and this has to be right one n x1 y, and is equal means is equal, after is equal to m x1 y1 as this, and this minus n x1 same direction becomes plus n x1 y1. What is common in this? x1 y1 is common. Is it clear up to here? Okay. First to take a point x1 y1. Okay, take the equation, take log on both sides and simplify, differentiate and divide by dx value write down. Then slope write down. After writing slope, take point and slope equation, tangent equation and substitute. Okay, simplify. Okay. So friends, if you like our classes, if you are interested in our classes, please click like button, please give comment, and also subscribe. That is most important. Subscribe and click bell button. After that, share it with your friends. Simplify that m y1 x plus n x1 y is equal. What is common? Both x1 y1 common. So remaining m plus n. Let's check it. M x1 y1 common and x1 y1 common, remaining n. So we should get one. We must divide with m plus n x1 by 1. So divide by m plus n into x1 by 1 on both sides. Then m by 1 x by m plus n into x1 by 1 plus n x1 by m plus n into x1 by 1 is equal m plus n into x1 by 1 by m plus n into x1 by 1. So completely gets cancelled. One we are getting here x1 only cancelled, here y1 only cancelled. The remaining is x by. See, this I am sending denominator. So it becomes what? M plus n by m x1. And here y by, what is remaining? M plus n into y1 and by n. So here x coordinate is this one, y coordinate is this one. Therefore point A is equal m plus n by m into x1 comma 0, and point B is 0 comma m plus n by m into y1. So obviously we can take x1 by 1, x2 by 1. Okay, we need to find A P to P. Okay, of course this is a point, this is P, this is a B. So how can we find the ratio of A P to PB? When A is x1 by 1, B is x2 by 2, P is sub x comma y. What is the formula? Okay, P nothing but x1 comma by 1. Begin of formula, can you say in straight lines? I told you the ratio easily you can find using formula. I gave you one formula also. Okay, so let us take this is x2 y2, this is x3 y3, that is x1 by 1. So ratio of AP is to PB means AP is to PB is equal, PB or PP both are same, AP is to PB is equal x1 minus x2 is to You can tell me what next? Simple compound. x3 minus x1. Okay. So what is x1 here? x1 only. x1 minus x2 means what? So this one. What is that? n plus n by m into x1. These two. x3 means what? 0 minus x1 means x1. Simplify this, you can get the ratio. The ratio must be constant. Okay. So x1 x1 same, or take LCM m into x1 m x1 and minus m into x1 minus m x1 minus into plus minus n x1 minus n x1. These two minus x1. So these two are same terms, let's cancel. So then after ratio AP is to PB or BB is equal, what is the remaining? Minus n x1 by m is to minus x1. Minus minus cancel, x1 cancel. So remaining n by m is to 1. So which is called to n is to m. So is n is to m constant or not? Yes, constant. So AP is to PB. Therefore, AP is to PB is constant. Hence, prove. So this is the solution. Okay. If you feel it is difficult, please watch this class again. Okay. Easily you can understand. You must have some patience and you must do hard work. Then you can get easily understand, easily get the full marks in maths 1B. Of course, maths 1A class is also available. Okay, for that also, functions part 1 by Nagaraju sir, functions part 2 by Nagaraju sir, maths is part 1 by Nagaraju sir, maths is part 10 by Nagaraju sir. In that way you can get. All chapters are first 1A, all chapters, 1B, all chapters, maths 2A, all chapters are available, maths 2B, all chapters also available. Okay, all important problems I mentioned. Okay, easily you can get full score. So please watch all classes regularly and orderly. Easily you can get. Please share with your friends also this information. They also will be get very useful with you. So thank you for watching our classes regularly, and also please subscribe if you do not till now immediately and click bell button. Thank you. In the next class we can discuss this application of derivation part 3. Same topic. Same 7 marks questions from 3 onwards. Those are very simple problems. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 problems are 5 problems are there. Those 5 are very same concept. Just only one formula. Tan theta equal modulus m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2 formula. Using that formula, we can find the angle between given two curves from y equal to x square, y equal to 4x, like that, or x square plus y square sum. So those type of questions, angle between two curves, how to find. In the next part, you can learn. Okay, so thank you. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో హోంవర్క్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా ఇస్తాను. అవి కూడా వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. బట్ ఈ రెండింటి మీద ఎక్కువ స్ట్రెస్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? అలా అయితేనే మీకు ఈజీగా. ఇందులో ఫస్ట్ 2 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. అండ్ దీనిలాగానే మిగతా చాప్టర్స్లో కూడా స్టార్టింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్కి ఎక్కువ ప్రియారిటీ ఉంటుంది. ఆ తర్వాత మిగతా అన్నీ చేసుకుంటే మనం సేఫ్ జోన్లో ఉన్నట్టు. సో నాకు బాగా వెరీ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ కావాలంటే ప్రతి పార్ట్లో స్టార్టింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్కి ప్రిఫరెన్స్ ఇవ్వండి. తర్వాత మాత్రం ఖచ్చితంగా అన్నీ నేర్చుకోండి.